One excellent trend we're seeing here in China now is the change in management style. It used to be before where the manager, he built whatever was asked for. It didn't matter, even if he had no idea what was going to be built. The guy learned how to build it, which was quite intelligent, but then you would just take all the cash they possibly could out of the business, and the business was sort of left as a shell after 5, 10 years. The machines weren't any good, things were bad. Now we see a new type of owner coming in, looking at the long term. The new owner wants to build a piece of equipment that's going to last, that he wants to maintain, and a business that can last for a long, long time. Not a business that's just going to be sold 10, 15 years, take my cash, go buy my condo, move on, and go. Instead, now, I think we see people in for the long haul, making changes that will really help the overall business environment here.